In a city immersed in darkness, where the neighborhoods live in constant fear of the gang of terrorist cats wreaking havoc in the alleys, a hero emerges from the rubble that no one expected, a gray cat with eyes that shine like emeralds in the darkness, carrying an old scar on his left shoulder, a memento of an unfinished battle. For the military cat sector, a row of nasty cats, their coats shining with the first sunlight, and small devices on their heads that emit blue flashes. Their footsteps on the ground echo his war drum. The military group joins forces with the gray cat to expel the cats who are destroying the city. The military cat unit storms the alleys at lightning speed. The claws shine like sparks, the meowing cries make the walls tremble. The terrorist cats are eliminated.